Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going behind the scenes to reveal the incredible world of mass production. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed, because we're about to witness ingenuity on a massive scale. Alright, let's talk cars. Have you ever wondered about the intricate process that goes into creating the vehicles we drive every day? It's a fascinating journey from raw materials to a finished product. Ever thought about what it takes to build one? It's not just about putting parts together, it's a blend of art, science, and engineering. We're talking about the symphony of automation and skilled labor that churns out vehicles by the thousands. Imagine a perfectly choreographed dance where every move is precise and purposeful. Massive rolls of steel get fed into gigantic presses, shaping that steel into body panels with incredible precision. These presses exert tons of pressure to mold the metal into the exact shapes needed for different parts of the car. Then robots, hundreds of them, weld those panels together in a ballet of sparks and motion. These robots are programmed to perform thousands of welds with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring the car's structure is both strong and safe. In the paint shops, cars get dipped in vats of primer, then off to electrostatic spray booths for a flawless coat of paint. This process not only makes the car look stunning but also protects it from the elements. On the assembly line, engines swing into place, interiors get dropped in, and before you know it, a shiny new car rolls off the line. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. It's enough to make you believe in magic. The transformation from raw materials to a fully functional vehicle is nothing short of miraculous. And the next time you see a car on the road, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get there. What's a road trip without snacks? Those bags of chips and candy bars don't just magically appear on store shelves. Take potato chips, for example. It starts with humble potatoes, washed, peeled, and sliced thinner than a politician's promise. Then they're fried to crispy perfection in massive vats of bubbling oil. The seasoning powders cascade over the chips, coating them in a symphony of salty, savory goodness. And chocolate. From cocoa beans to creamy chocolate bars, the process is a sight to behold. It's a chocolate lover's dream come true. Let's talk about clothes. The journey from raw fibers to the shirts on our backs is fascinating. Machines spin fibers like cotton, wool, or synthetics into long continuous threads called yarn. Next, the weaving or knitting process interlaces those threads to create fabric. The fabric then goes through treatments like dyeing, printing, and finishing to give it the desired color, texture, and durability. It's amazing to see how a simple piece of cloth can be transformed into a work of art. We live in a world ruled by electronics, but have you ever thought about the intricate process of putting these gadgets together? It starts with circuit boards, populated with resistors, capacitors, and microchips smaller than a grain of rice. Pick-and-place robots work with lightning speed, placing thousands of components per hour with pinpoint accuracy. Once the components are in place, the board goes through a soldering process, creating electrical connections. Every single board undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality and performance. After all, nobody wants a glitchy phone or a faulty computer, right? Let's talk about beverages. The efficiency of the beverage bottling process is incredible. Raw ingredients are mixed and blended in massive stainless steel tanks. The liquid is pumped into the bottling line, where it's dispensed into bottles or cans with incredible accuracy. Labels are applied with lightning speed, wrapping around each container with perfect alignment. Finally, the filled and labeled containers are packed into boxes and loaded onto trucks, ready to quench the thirst of millions. Let's talk about toys. Behind those smiling faces lies a fascinating world of toy manufacturing. Tiny plastic pellets are melted down and injected into molds, shaping the molten plastic into action figures, dolls, cars, and more. Once the plastic cools and hardens, the toys are painted, dressed, and accessorized. The packaging is designed to capture the attention of kids and parents alike. It's all about creating an experience from the moment you lay eyes on the toy. Let's talk about medicine. The pharmaceutical industry is a world of precision and meticulous care. It starts in the lab, where scientists develop new drugs and therapies. Pharmaceutical manufacturing takes place in a highly controlled environment, with clean rooms and air filtration systems. Liquids are measured to the milliliter, powders are weighed to the milligram, and every step is documented and verified. Pharmaceutical products undergo rigorous testing at every stage to ensure their safety and efficacy. It's a long and complex journey from lab to medicine cabinet, but it's a journey that saves countless lives. Let's talk about paper. It's something we encounter every day, often without a second thought. From the books we read, which transport us to different worlds and expand our knowledge, to the boxes we use for moving, storing, and shipping items, paper is everywhere. Paper is an integral part of our lives. It starts with trees, often grown in managed forests. These trees are harvested responsibly through sustainable forestry practices. The logs are debarked, chipped, and cooked in a mixture of chemicals to break down the wood fibers. This process is crucial for transforming raw wood into usable pulp. The wood fibers are meticulously broken down, ensuring that the pulp is of high quality. The resulting pulp is then screened to remove any remaining large particles, washed to clean it thoroughly, and bleached to remove impurities, giving it that pristine white color we associate with paper. The cleaned pulp is spread out on a moving wire mesh, where it begins to take the form of paper. Water is drained away, leaving behind a mat of fibers that bond together. These fibers bond together to form a continuous sheet of paper, which is then pressed and dried. Finally, the paper is wound onto giant rolls, ready for the next stage of its journey. These rolls are cut and packaged for various uses, from printing and writing to packaging and beyond. The journey of paper is a testament to human ingenuity and the sustainable use of natural resources. Let's talk about furniture. Before those pieces end up in our homes, they undergo a fascinating journey from raw lumber to finished product. Logs are transformed into planks of wood, which are then graded and sorted. The wood is cut, shaped, and sanded to create the various components of the furniture. Skilled craftspeople use a combination of traditional hand tools and modern machinery to create intricate designs and smooth finishes. The assembled pieces are then sanded again and finished with stain, paint, or varnish. It's amazing to see how a pile of lumber can be transformed into beautiful and functional pieces of furniture. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of glassblowing. This ancient art form has been practiced for thousands of years, dating back to the Roman Empire. It's a craft that combines science, art, and a touch of magic, creating stunning pieces that captivate the imagination. It all starts with silica sand, mixed with other ingredients like soda ash and limestone. These materials are melted in a furnace cranked up to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, transforming into a molten, glowing liquid. The molten mixture becomes a glowing, gooey substance that looks like lava. This is the raw material that glassblowers use to create their masterpieces. Glassblowers dip a long, hollow tube called a blowpipe into the molten glass and gather a glob of it on the end. This process requires precision and skill, as the glass must be kept at the right temperature to be workable. They blow into the pipe, inflating the glob of glass like a bubble. This initial bubble is the starting point for shaping the glass into its final form. The glassblower constantly rotates the pipe, shaping the molten glass with tools and gravity. This rotation ensures that the glass remains symmetrical and evenly heated. They pull, twist, shape, and blow, transforming that molten blob into everything from delicate vases to intricate sculptures. Each piece is unique, reflecting the artist's vision and skill. It's like a dance, a delicate balance of heat, breath, and skill. The glassblower must be in tune with the material, understanding its properties and how it reacts to different techniques. It's truly mesmerizing to watch, like witnessing magic happen right before your eyes. The transformation from raw materials to a finished piece of art is a testament to human creativity and craftsmanship. Well, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the amazing world of mass production. From cars to candy bars, clothes to computers, we've seen how ingenuity and automation come together to create the things we use every day. Thanks for joining me on this journey behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and well, and I'll see you on the next adventure.